Hello everybody and welcome to Marty Motoring. Today we are in sunny San Diego, California on kind of a personal vacation slash I wanted to get out here and film some Lexus content as well. I know a couple of the Lexus guys in this area. We're in the rental. I'm here with some family and I am borrowing the rental to go down to Chula Vista in San Diego to meet up with an Instagram follower of mine and check out his car. We actually got a Hyundai Santa Fe, I think it's a 2018 or 19, has CarPlay. It's pretty nice. Feels a little bit just like an upgraded Kia, as you would expect, but actually drives really nice. You know, it's not a Lexus, it's not a Toyota, but we're dealing with a cheap rental car here. So now this is my first time really using or seeing Apple CarPlay, and so far I'm pretty impressed. Works really well, I like it.
1925 East Lake Parkway.
Let's go. Look at that thing. All right, so we're in the IS 350 now. This is the owner, Eric, and this is his, I'll put his Instagram handle below as well. And a lot of you guys have been asking me about the needles going out. He actually got his done in blue, so that's pretty cool and unique. He's still rocking the wood grain here. He's getting some downshifts in. This is a pretty cool spot. It's just the road ends. So we're gonna get some cool shots of this car and then take it for a spin.
Perfect.
So there's this nice fence here on this unconstructed area, but there's a broken piece, and it just happens to be a Ford Mustang piece of a bumper in there. So of course it had to be a Mustang that did this. So this car is pretty unique. As you can see, has the light strips in the lights. It's got the aero elements with the red accent. Got some chrome factory wheels, custom exhaust, as well as the lit up reflectors. Of course, the VLAN taillights, those always look good. Got a roof spoiler, very unique. So now we're gonna go take this for a drive in the canyon. So now I'm going to drive Eric's IS 350 if I can fit in it. I'm gonna have to adjust your seat. Familiar place to be. with the luxury package, I'm so used to the button here, and everything else is very similar, but I was just like trying to adjust it electronically. It's not there, but no worries, still gonna be a lot of fun. We're driving this, familiar feel, of course, IS350. Let's see how the throttle response is, because I feel like it's probably different than mine. Yeah, this is smooth. I like how this rides. Yeah, it rides a lot like mine.
It's a BC on Swift spring.
Okay. Yeah, it's nice. The exhaust sounds a little bit different. It's a little bit louder in the cabin, I think, than mine. It could just be because I have the F-Sport, which really kind of deadens the sound, or you have something custom, which lets it open up a little bit. People say the steering on the 2008 is a little different. I'm personally not feeling it. It feels very similar to mine. See how good your brakes are. It's awesome to be driving an IS350 so far from home too. So this has the RR Racing Tune. I haven't driven an IS350 with the Tune, so we'll have to test that out.
This is the Olympic Training Center in Chula Vista.
Real winds. Wow. Got a little downshifting there. It lets me know what turns are coming up. Let's go. Yeah, we'll just have to do it really quick.
Yep.
There we go. Yeah, man, thank you for letting me drive this. This is awesome. It's like I'm in my car, kind of, but away from home. It's a pretty cool experience.
Yeah, I set up my car with the track mindset, not VIP mindset, so it's designed for track and canyons.
Yeah, and it handles awesome. The feel, the aero, the tires are very grippy, and of course it is a lot hotter out here than Pennsylvania. But yeah, I'm really liking the feel, and the view is awesome too. I can't complain about that.
See a plane for skydiving.
Oh, that's sweet. Alright, so I just drove Eric's IS350 through the canyons, and it was an awesome time, as you saw. And yeah, it was really cool to be able to drive a Lexus here in California. But now he's taking the wheel on his home turf. Feel some slip in there. Oh man. So we did a little cruising around Chula Vista. Eric showed me around, which is pretty cool. I've never been here, so it's a pretty cool experience. We're very close to Mexico. So Eric suggested to go to Tacos El Gordo, a local Mexican restaurant. And I figured, hey, I'm here. Might as well try it out and experience the goodness. And I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna head there now and try it out. We made it. The Tacos El Gordo did not disappoint. It's just Definitely some great authentic Mexican food. It was quite the experience. Thank you to Eric for recommending that place and going along. And also thanks for letting me drive your Lexus IS350. But I will be filming some other Lexus content while I'm here, so keep an eye out for that. For now, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my first full day here. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to follow along with the channel, and follow me on Instagram at Marty Motoring. And as always, leave a little rubber on the road.